ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 517। इन भाष्य सेकंड पैराग्राफ। तस्मात् पुरुषम अतिवैचित्र्यम अपेक्ष्य साध्य साधन संबंध विशेषान अनेकधा उपदिशति। अनेकधा उपदिशति श्रुति अथवा शास्त्रम। What does Shastra do? It sees that Purusha Mati Vaichitrya is there. Therefore, it has to give different instructions to different people. Sadhya Sadhana Sambandha Visheshan Anekadha Upadesha is given. Further, Tatra Purusha Pravartan. Main point you should remember, Shastra does not say this is Satyam. Shastra does not say it is not Satyam. It is Mithya or it is not Mithya. Shastra also does not ask you to get involved. शास्त्रम न नियोजयति। तत्र पुरुषाः स्वयमेव यथा रुचि साधन विशेषेषु प्रवर्तन्ते। शास्त्रम तु सवित्र प्रदीपादिवत उदास्त एव। शास्त्र इज बिल्कुल उदास्त, मीन्स उदास उत्पूर्वक आस धातु उदास्ते उदास्त एव। यथा रुचि समास विग्रह विल बी रुचिम अनतिक्रम्य. This is samasa. Yatha, whenever it comes, and it is what kind of samasa? Ruchim anatikramya vigraha. What is the samasa? अव्ययी भाव. तुम तो अव्ययी भाव के तो सूत्र बोल रहे हो. But for this, the sutra is अव्ययम विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि व्यर्थि अर्थाभाव अत्यय असंप्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात यथा अनुपूर्व योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्य अंतवचनेषु. In all these arthas, अव्ययी भाव समास comes. विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि व्यर्थि अर्थाभाव अत्यय असंपत्ति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात यथा. That yatha is our current one. Then अनुपूर्व्य योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्य अंतवचनेषु. So यथा रुचि. In टीका तत्र संबंध विशेषोपदेशे सति इति यावत्. संबंध विशेष उपदेशे सति. तत्र means where संबंध विशेष उपदेश is there. टीका यथारुचि पुरुषाणां प्रवृत्तिश्चेत् परम पुरुषार्थं कैवल्यम उद्दिश्य सम्यक ज्ञान सिद्धये तद उपाय श्रवणादिषु संन्यास पूर्विका प्रवृत्तिर बुद्धि पूर्वकारिणाम उचिता इति आशंक्या। यथारुचि पुरुषाण तत्र शब्द इज गिवन इन भाष्य फॉर दैट तत्र मीन्स संबंध विशेष उपदेशे सति। तो संबंध विशेष इज देयर फॉर different purushas, different sambandha is given. संबंध विशेष उपदेशे सति यथारुचि पुरुषाणाम प्रवृत्तिश्चेत, यथारुचि पुरुषाणाम प्रवृत्ति if it is there, परम पुरुषार्थम कैवल्यम उद्दिश्य सम्यक ज्ञान सिद्धये तद उपाय श्रवणादिषु संन्यास पूर्विका प्रवृत्ति ही। यथारुचि पुरुषाणाम प्रवृत्ति, so then somebody is interested in sannyas also. What kind of, I mean, somebody is interested in kaivalya moksha. For kaivalya moksha, what is the sadhana? Samyak jnanam is given. Samyak jnana. Kaivalyam uddishya. Samyak jnana siddhaye. Then tadupaya shravanadishu. Shravanadishu sannyasa purvika pravritti. Sannyasa purvika, so sannyasa mukhya artha is antar bahya or yashana traya tyaga. That is mukhya artha. Even if pravrittis have gone down, you will have lot more time. So some seva you have to do in Gurukula, some other pravrittis there. Still, sannyasa purvika shravanadishu pravritti. Tesham buddhi purvakarinam uchita. Buddhi purvakarinam. Buddhi purvakari. This shabda came in Adhyasa Bhashya. Buddhim purvam karoti iti buddhi purvakari. Tesham buddhi purvakarinam vivekinam. Means a viveki person. Buddhi purvakari means person who is viveki, who has buddhi ahead of all other activities. Means first this person thinks, then he does. Unlike many, not all the time we don't do otherwise, but sometimes we end up doing otherwise. Uchita iti ashankyaha. Tadha kasyachit paro api purushartho. Previous line I explained the bhashya. Shastra is only savitra pratipadivat, like the light of the sun or the lamp. It only does prakashanam. It does not engage or disengage. Tatha kasyachit paro api purushartho apurusharthavat avabhasate. Kasyachit, some people, for them, paro api purushartho apurusharthavat bhasa. Moksha, para purushartha is moksha. That person thinks moksha is not purushartha. They might get engaged more in other activities. Dharma, artha, kama. See, when we say moksha is the purushartha, means kaivalya moksha is purushartha. Somebody thinks kaivalya moksha is not purushartha. So then what is the purushartha? They have some other thing as their purushartha, which they will say shravanam is not needed, sannyasa is not needed, samyak jnanam is not needed. One of them, something else is what is enough. That is the meaning of that. Kasyachit paro api purushartho apurusharthavat bhasa. And there are enough people in the world who will explain Shastra the way they want. Or they will say, leave the Shastra aside. Listen to what I have to say. The Shastra, why? Shastra means I will have to follow Shastra. I want Shastra to follow me. I want people to follow me. So they will keep Shastra aside. Sometimes some very famous people also, if they make such statement, they do know the consequences of that when they are not alive. Within short time, their statement will become a slogan for all their followers. Each person will say the same thing. Don't follow Shastra, follow me. Now there are 50 people, all 50 will go in that direction. It is going to be a mess. They might have said that seeing the person in front, Adhikari, and knowing that they have studied Shastra and how they are explaining. But all the other people, they will not be in a position to do all this. So that's why this, what is said here, paro api purushartho apurusharthavad avabhasate. Yasya यथा अवभासः स तथा रूपम पुरुषार्थम पश्यति. Then he will see purushartha in that drashti only. Tad anurupani sadhanani upaditsyate. And then accordingly he will say this sadhana you do, this is upasana, etc., etc. Tika. Ragadi Vaichitriya Anusarena iti. And how this will happen? Because of the Ragadi Vaichitriya, somebody has more raga here, there. Therefore, that's why Apaurushaya Shastra is your pramana. Apta Purusha Vachanam is pramanam only if that Purusha is saying what is agreed by Shastra, not otherwise. Uktang hi api vrindavane shunye srigalatvam sa ichhati natu nirvishayam moksham gantumarhati gautama. Api vrindavane shunye. This is Nyaya Mata. Person is saying, I don't want nirvishaya moksha. Nirvishaya moksha means Brahma-Atma Ikya. Say, I don't want that. Why? You will know you are Brahma. Then, can you enjoy Brahma? No. To enjoy Brahma, Brahma has to be different from you. Like if you want to enjoy sugar, sugar has to be different from you. If you become sugar, then what is the use? So I don't want this nirvishaya moksha. Then what do you want? I don't mind being a Srigala in Vrindavana. Vrindavane Shunye. And then number tippan is a Bhaktatvat. He may be Bhakta. Srigalatvam is okay for me. Natu nirvishaya moksham gantum arhati Gautama. Gautama Nyayacharya. Ityadi. So here small names are not given. Big Acharyas names are given. So Tarhi Katham Purushartha Viveka Siddhi. Then how Purushartha Viveka Siddhi will happen? Yasya yatha avabhasa satatha rupam sadhanam karoti nirdishyate. Purushartha darshana karyam aha tad anurupani sadhanani. According to the sadhya, somebody will suggest sadhana, etc. Sadhanani upaditsate. उपादित्सते, उपादित्सा, उपादातुम इच्छा, उपादित्सा, उपादित्सते इस क्रियापद। तो सन प्रत्यय उप दुदाए दाने दांत धातु, दित्सा will become the आतिदेशिक धातु। टीका स्व अभिप्राय अनुसारेण पुरुषाणाम पुरुषार्थ प्रतिपत्ति ही इति अत्र गमकम् आह। स्व अभिप्राय अनुसारेण पुरुषाणाम पुरुषार्थ प्रतिपत्ति, according to their own abhipraya, how people understand purushartha, in that gamakam is given. तथा च अर्थवादो अपि, how you see दृष्टांत, त्रयाः प्राजापत्याः प्रजापतौ पितरी ब्रह्मचर्यम् ऊषुः इत्यादि। त्रयाः प्राजापत्याः, this story will come in Braharanyaka. Prajapati had 3 children. They are all Prajapatya, 3 types. Who are they? Devaha, Manushyaha, Asurascha. Devata, Manushya, Asura. Then what happens? Tika they have given. यथा दकार त्रये प्रजापति न उक्ते देवादयः स्वाभिप्रायेण दमादि अर्थत्रयम् जगृहुः। Prajapati, they all went and said, give us some upadesha. Prajapati said, the, like that. Dakaratraye Prajapatina ukte. So Prajapati said the 3 times. Then he asked, understood? Yes. Asked Devata, what did you understand? What did Devata say? Dhamma. Dhamya.
Dhamma.
They should do. Why? Because they have a lot of bhoga sadhana, etc. So that is what is given. Swabhiprayena damadi arthatrayam. Then Manushya, he asked Manushya, what should you do? Dhanam.
Dhanam.
Because they have so much, but they don't want to give anything. They will keep it for their 2nd generation, 3rd generation, 4th, 7th generation. Up to that, they'll go on gathering, Somebody I heard said, this is the famous statement from J.R.D. Tata. He said, all this, whatever wealth that we have acquired is public money. It should be used for that purpose only, or at least majority. How, that is why, what is the difference between great people and other people? This is the difference. How they think. And then Asuraha,
Daya.
Dayatva, Daya. Because they are hinsak, they have very violent vrittis. So they have to have love and compassion for all. Damadi arthatrayam jagruhu. Jagruhu, lit lakar. What is the dhatu?
Gai. Gai.
No. Graha should be the dhatu. जग्राह जग्रतुः जग्रुः, ग्रह धातु उपादान है. एंड इन भाष्य त्रयः प्राजापत्याः प्रजापतौ पितरि ब्रह्मचर्यम् ऊषुः. ऊषुः, this is also lit. What is the dhatu here? Was dhatu. Was निवासे. ऊषुः बहुवचन रूप है. संप्रसारणम, what is the सूत्र? किति. वचिस्वति यजादीनां किति. In that Adi, Vasa is there. Everything is in Adi. Who are the five Pandavas? Yudhishthir Adi. ब्रह्मचर्यम ऊषु इत्यादि. टीका. तथा स्वाभिप्राय वशादेव पुरुषाणां पुरुषार्थ प्रतिपत्तिः इति अर्थवादतो अवगतम इत्यर्थः. In the same way, each individual, they have their own understanding. Swa abhipraya vashadeva purushanam purushartha pratipatti. They think, somebody will think artha is purushartha, kama. What is the objective of life? Different people will think in different way. Avagatam. Purvottar kandayor avirodham upasamharati. And there is no virodha between Purva Kanda, means Purva Mimamsa, and Uttar Mimamsa. तस्मात् न ब्रह्मैकत्वं ज्ञापयिष्यन्तो वेदांता विधि शास्त्रस्य बाधकाः. तस्मात्, therefore, न ब्रह्मैकत्वं ज्ञापयिष्यन्तः. What do Vedanta do? Anvay, you have to do this way. Vedantaः ब्रह्मैकत्वं ज्ञापयिष्यन्तः विधि शास्त्रस्य बाधकाः न भवति. Vedanta, while doing Jnapanam of Brahmatma Aikya, they are not Badhaka of Vidhi Shastra. Purva Pakshi's argument was, Vedanta will not allow anyone to do anything. Why? Because there is no Adhikari, etc. Here it is said, people will go on doing what they want to do no matter what. This is how the world functions. Shastra will say something, Guru. If they understand I am Brahma, then they will not have any. Otherwise, Vedanta Shastra is not doing Bada of Purva Mimamsa. People are doing anything on their own anyway. Tika. Arthat Badhakatvam ekasya vakyasya dvayarthatva ayogat iti yavat. And therefore, Ekavakya does not have two arthas. This is a beautiful thing. C4 number tippani. Dvayartha. Ekavakyata we said, karma vakyam tavat sadhya sadhana sambandha matram bodhayati. Natu Vedanta viruddham swargadi satyatvam api. Karma vakyam, what does it say? Sadhya sadhana sambandha matra. Karma vakyam is not doing Vedanta viruddha pratipadanam. What would be Vedanta viruddha pratipadanam? Swarga is satyam. That is not said by Karma Kanda. In the same way, Vedanta Vakyam api sarvasya brahmatvam bodhaya, satyatvam bodhayati. Natu karmani raginam प्रवृत्ति अभावम अपि. Vedanta doesn't say you don't do karma. Or ragi who are anyway going to do karma, even if Vedanta says something, they are not going to listen. So what is it? Artha bhedat vakya bheda apattehe iti bhava. If the artha bheda is there will be vakya bheda. Vakya bheda means one vakya trying to give two messages. That will not happen. Like karma vakya saying, for Swarga, this is sadhana and Swarga is satya. Two things are not said. Vedanta Vakya will say everything is Brahma. Brahma is satya. That's all. It will not say, therefore you don't do pravritti here, karmi. Vedanti never says Ajnani should not do karma. Vedanti is very happy when Ajnanis are doing yajna, dana, tapa, because that will produce vividisha. अर्थात बाधकत्वम आशंक्य आह. अर्थात बाधकत्वम, अर्थापत्या बाधकत्वम. Somebody says न च विधि शास्त्रम एतावता निर्विषयम स्यात्. By this much alone. So Siddhanti is saying, actually this is Siddhanti Vakya. अर्थात बाधकत्वम आशंक्य आह. Siddhanti is answering Shanka Parihara. Vidhi Shastram will not become etavata. Etavata Vedantanam Brahmaikatva Jnapakatva Matrena. Because Vedanta reveals Brahma. Just by that, Vidhi Shastra means Karma Shastra will not become Nirvishayam. It will have its Vishaya. Vishaya means Adhikari. वेदांतानाम अबाधकत्वे अपि कर्मकांडस्य तत्प्रामाण्य निवर्तकत्वम अस्ति इति आशंका. कि वेदांतानाम अबाधकत्वे अपि, even if Vedanta are not बाधक, कर्मकांडस्य तत्प्रामाण्य निवर्तकत्वम, Vedanta have the ability to remove the pramanya from कर्मकांड. सिद्धांति से नापि उक्त कारकादि भेदम विधि शास्त्रम उपनिषदाम ब्रह्मैकत्वम प्रति प्रामाण्यम निवर्तयति. And other way he is saying actually, कर्मकांड शास्त्र will not remove Upanishad pramanya. Means neither Vedanta removes Upanishad pramanyam nor Upanishad removes Vedanta pramanyam. I mean, Karmakanda pramanyam nor Karmakanda removes Upanishad pramanyam. Why? Swa-vishaya shurani hi pramanani shrotradivat. Have you heard this Vakya before? Where? In this Upanishad itself we saw. In Tika, I think it came. Now it is there in Bhashya. Swa-vishaya shurani hi pramanani. All pramanas are king in their field. Nobody can refute their pramanyam in that. Tika. Swapakshe sarva virodha nirasa dvara स्वार्थे वेदांतानां प्रामाण्यम उक्तम संप्रति तार्किक पक्षम उत्थापयति. स्वपक्षे सर्व विरोध निरास द्वारा स्वार्थे वेदांतानां प्रामाण्यम. In स्वपक्ष सर्व विरोध nirasa is done. Means Vedanta pramanyam is established. Swarthe Vedantanam pramanyam uktam. Now, samprati idanim tarkika paksham utthapayati. Now, tarkika paksha is taken up. Tarkikaha nyaya vaisheshika adaya. तत्र पंडितम मन्याः केचित् स्वचित्तवशात् सर्वं प्रमाणम् इतरेतर विरुद्धं मन्यन्ते तथा प्रत्यक्षादि विरोधमपि चोदयन्ति ब्रह्मैकत्वे. But these Tarkas, what do they say? They are Panditam Manyaha. Panditam Manyaha. Panditam Manyamanaha is there in Swayam Dhiraha, the Upanishad. There is a sutra. Atma Mane Khascha. Atma Mane Khascha. 3-83. Chakara is for Rini. Rini. Atma Mane Khascha. So, Atmanaha Mananam means Atma Manaha. Panditam Manyamanaha. Panditamani. Darshaniyam Manyaha. Like that. Darshaniyamani. So they say, based on their own mind, Kechit Swachitta Vashat, Sarvam Pramanam, Itaretar Viruddham. All these Pramanas, they are contradicting each other. Means within Veda. Tatha Pratyakshadi Virodham api Chodayanti Brahmaikatve. And they are also saying Pratyakshadi Virodha is there. If Brahma Ekatva is there, then what will happen to this Satya Jagat? Tika. Aikye Shastragamya Swikrite Sati iti yavat. If you accept Shastragamya Brahmatma Aikya, then all these doshas will be there, according to them. Sarvam Pramanam iti Agama Vakyam Pratyakshadi cha ityartha. Agama is also Pramanam. Pratyaksha is also Pramana, and they think it is equal Pramana. See, in Veda, we will see in Vedanta Paribhasha, when you come to Shabda Pramana. Tattva Vedaka Pramana, Atattva Vedaka Pramana. First, that division will be there. Shastra is Tattva Vedaka Pramana, whose Pratipadya Vishaya will not get refuted later, anytime. Pratyakshadi Pramana, their Pratipadya Vishaya Ghatapatadi will get refuted later. So they are not having equal ground to begin with. But Tartikas don't accept such things. So they think Sarvam Pramana. Right? This we also should understand. Here it is given, I think. Katham Aikya Avedakam Agama Vakyam Pratyakshadina Virudyate Tatra. Aikya Avedakam means Tattva Vedaka Pramanam Agama Vakyam. How Pratyakshadina Virudyate Tatra तथा प्रत्यक्षादि विरोधमपि चोदयन्ति देशे यथा ब्रह्मैकत्वे प्रवृत्तस्य शास्त्रस्य प्रत्यक्षादि विरोधं मन्यन्ते तथा तम अस्मान् प्रति चोदयन्ति अपि इति योजना. Means how it does that Brahmatma Ikya, if you accept, there is virodha with Pratyakshadi. They are interested in Pratyaksha because all the Dravya, Guna, Karma, this is all Pratyaksha only. Pratyaksha itself, somewhere you say for Jivan Mukta, even that is Vadita. So, in that way, Tatha Tam Asman Prati Chodayanti. They teach us in this way how this Brahmatma Ekatva should not be considered too seriously. Just read Aham Brahmasmi. When you are alone, think like that. When you are with everybody, Pratyaksha only. Shabda Tika Tatra Pratyaksha Virodham Prakatayati. Now, what is Pratyaksha Virodha? Shabdadayah Kila Shrotradi Vishaya Bhinnaha Pratyakshata Upalabhyante Brahmaikatvam Bruvatam Pratyaksha Virodha Syat. Shabdadayah Kila Shrotradi Vishaya Bhinnaha Pratyakshata Upalabhyante. Shabdadi etc. Shrotradi Vishayaha Bhinnaha. प्रत्यक्ष तो उपलभ्यते. श्रोत्र is different, shabda is different. So Veda is there, you are saying all, everything is one. Brahmaikatvam Bruvataam Pratyaksha Virodha. So Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasa are Bhinna, their Indriyas are Bhinna. And in them there is variety. Samprati Anumana Virodham. Aha. Now Anumana Virodha. तथा श्रोत्रादिभिः शब्दादि उपलब्धारः कर्तारश्च धर्माधर्मयोः प्रतिशरीरं भिन्नाः अनुमीयन्ते संसारिणः. श्रोत्रादिभिः शब्दादि उपलब्धारः उपलब्धृ प्रातिपदिक will be उपलब्धृ. पितृ प्रातिपदिक प्रथमा एक वचन will be पिता, द्विवचन प्रथमा एक वचन will be उपलब्धा, द्विवचन online everybody is quiet suddenly. उपलब्धारौ, how there is उपलब्धारौ dirgha and pitarau hrasva. Can you hear me online?
Yes, Swami. Yes, Swami.
उपलब्धारौ is dirgha. Aptrintrich स्वस्त्र नप्त्र नेष्ट्र त्वष्ट्र क्षत्रु भोत्र प्रशास्त्रिणाम. क्षत्रु भोत्र पोत्र प्रशास्त्रिणाम. So in that Pita etc. are not there. So whatever is given here, they will have upadha dirgha. If they have trin pratyaya, trich pratyaya and these. उपलब्धारः कर्ता धर्माधर्मयोः प्रतिशरीरं भिन्ना अनुमीयन्ते संसारिणः. And all these karta of dharma adharma, performers of dharma adharma, pratishariram bhinna anumiyante. They are also seen as different in every sharira. Sansarina. Tika. Dvivachan will have dirgha also. सूत्र द्विवचन में लगे. My question was द्विवचन only. स्वदेह समवेत चेष्टा तुल्य चेष्टा देहांतरे दृष्टा साच प्रयत्नवत पूर्विका विशिष्ट चेष्टात्वात् सम्मतवत. This is the anumana. स्वदेह समवेत चेष्टा तुल्य चेष्टा देहांतरे दृष्टा. How I do chesta in my sharira, it is there with samvaya sambandha. Dehantare api drashta tulya chesta, that is also prayatna purvika vishishta chestatvat. So what it shows, there is nana. You go on saying advaiti neha nanasti kincha neha, there is nana. सम्मतवत इति अनुमान विरुद्धम अद्वैत शास्त्रम इत्यर्थः. तत्रैव प्रमाणांतर विरोधम आह। तथा च इन भाष्य वन मोर सेंटेंस है, तत्र ब्रह्मैकत्वं ब्रुवताम अनुमान विरोधश्च तथा च आगम विरोधम वदन्ति। आगम विरोध इज ऑल्सो, सो दे से प्रत्यक्ष विरोध, अनुमान विरोध, आगम विरोध। हाउ? ग्राम कामो यजेत, पशु कामो यजेत, स्वर्ग कामो यजेत इति एवं आदि वाक्येभ्यो ग्राम पशु स्वर्गादि कामा तत्साधनादि अनुष्ठातारश्च भिन्ना अवगम्यन्ते। All these purushas who are performing these yagas, their samagri, their phalam, everything is भिन्नम। मानत्रय विरोधात् न ब्रह्मैक्यम इति प्राप्ते प्रति आह। अत्र उच्यते। हु आर दीस पीपल? ते तु कुतर्क दूषित अंतःकरणाः ब्राह्मणादि वर्ण अपसदाः अनुकंपनीयाः आगमार्थ विच्छिन्न संप्रदाय बुद्धय इति। These people, they are kutarka dushita antakarna. Their antakarna is dushita by kutarka. Brahmanadi varna apasadaha. They want to criticize and do ninda of Brahmanadi varneshu. Here, Brahmanadi varneshu nichaha, inferior. Anukampaniyaha means nindaniyaha actually. Anushochaha. You should do anushloka for them. And agamartha vichhinna sampradaya buddhaya. From agama sampradaya, their buddhi has separated. Vichhinna. They have new sampradaya now. Bhashyakara, how in Gita Bhashya, what has he said? Asampradayvid sarvashastra asampradayvid sarvashastravid api murkhavad upekshaniya. So they are asampradayvid means shastra sampradaya rahita, even if they know a lot of things. Murkhavad upekshaniya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।